welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing February's BoxyCharm. Yay! Thank you BoxyCharm for sending me again this month's base box. Let's jump in. This month's theme is XOXO because of Valentines. Let's begin with the first item, which is a palette. I didn't know this palette was in this box. There was no sneak peeks at all from this palette. This is the Getaway palette by Wonder Beauty. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. This is my second palette by Wonder Beauty. My first Wonder Beauty palette came in my Try Beauty box. It was so pretty. There were 6 shimmery eyeshadows and they were all so beautiful and very pigmented. So I was excited to get this beautiful palette. As you guys can see, the palette has texture on it. It's a really nice touch to it, and it's a small compact palette. Kind of similar to the other one that I had. This one is a little bit bigger. It's slightly bigger than the other one I have. When you open it up, you have a nice long mirror that fits both of your eyes. I did my makeup using this mirror only. When you look at the layout of the eyeshadows, you have 6 beautiful shadows in which 2 are matte. You also have a highlighter and a blush. The highlighter and the blush are the same size. They're longer and bigger than the eyeshadows. So beautiful. They're all very pigmented. Love all the shimmery shadows. They're the same texture as my other palette from them. I actually thought they added the same eyeshadows in here, but they're not. They have different names. I used all the eyeshadows on my eyes, and I used the highlighter as a brow bone and as my highlighter. It's such a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I love it so much. The blush is also very, very pretty. This palette is just really pretty. This beautiful palette retails for $36. Next, we have Chan Chan Chan, a skincare product. This little guy was actually in the sneak peeks, and I was crossing my fingers so I could get it, and I got it! I'm so excited. This is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask by Saturday Skin, a brand that I didn't know about. It has such a cute packaging. I love it. It's kind of like domey. It is plastic. I don't mind it. It's in a different shape. I love the citrusy holographic logo on top. It's so freaking pretty. When you open it up, you have a tiny little spatula here to take out the product to prevent any bacteria spreading inside the product, and it has another like little cover. It's a transparent mask with kind of like yellow chunks. It smells very, very citrusy. I freaking love the smell. When I applied it on my face, it felt like so perfect. It's not oily. It feels like super watery, which is a type of skincare that my skin loves. It feels very hydrating. It doesn't leave you dry. It's a sleeping mask, and then the next day you wake up with amazing skin. This is an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. Cold pressed Yuzu seed oil and an encapsulated vitamin complex help improve the appearance of stressed skin to look deeply hydrated and vibrant with targeted antioxidants. You will see after I used it, my skin looks very glowy. It looks very healthy. It looks nourished. It looks revived. I freaking love it. I love the smell. The texture is like a jelly formula, so it feels watery afterwards. It's a jelly textured mask. It does say it contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. This little guy retails for $29. Next, we have another product that was also in the sneak peeks. This is by the brand TrèStique. This is the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara plus the eye pencil. I'm so excited about this little guy because it's 3 in 1. So you get 2 items in here. You get the mascara and you get the eyeliner. I freaking love the eyeliner packaging. Look at the packaging, guys. It looks like a pencil, but it's not. It's meant to look like it's a pencil. It's just plastic. When you remove the lid, you can actually see it's a mechanical black pencil, which actually is in the shade Santorini Black Sand. This black eyeliner is a gel formula. It slides on very nicely, smooth on the skin. Not only is this a black pencil, but on the bottom you have a smudger, the little sponge to smudge out the black liner. I actually did the swatch only the eyeliner, and then underneath it I added of the black liner, smudging it. I did use the smudging method in this tutorial. I didn't want it to be too harsh. I like the smokiness. Not only is this a smudger sponge, but if you remove it, you also have a sharpening tool on the inside. It's such a good black liner. I freaking love it. Love the packaging, love everything that it brings. Very well thought out. The other one is the mascara. It also has an eye curler at the top. It does say here flip down to curl. You just kind of open it a little bit and then you just have to put your finger and then it presses up to curl it. It's a very well thought out product. It's not going to curl all your lashes. You have to curl it in 3 sections. So the outer corner, middle section, and then inner corner. It's plastic. You have a little curve on the inside that touches your lid, but not too much so that you don't get any skin when actually curling the eyelashes. It's pretty convenient. I love it. You put the lid back on to actually twist the wand out, and there you have your mascara. Love, love, love the wand applicator. I love the shape of it, and I did really love the mascara. It definitely did bring my lashes out. I would actually use it without false lashes. I just wanted to use my lashes for the tutorial, but definitely if I'm going out grocery shopping and I don't want to wear lashes, I will definitely use this mascara. This one is called Icelandic Black Lacquer. This is a vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, synthetic, fragrance-free, and formulated without D5. This eye duo retails for $44. Next, we have a product by the brand Glamierre. I didn't know this brand, but this product was definitely in the sneak peeks. It's right here. This is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. First of all, let's take a look at the bag. It's such a cute little pouch. I love it. So glittery and it's pink, and it actually has the brand name here, Glamierre. The brushes actually come in individual little bags. They are so freaking cute, guys. I mean, look at this. This is so cute. These remind me so much of my Lime Crime brushes. It has shaped heart glitter inside. It's so beautiful. Red and pink. So you actually get in here 4 brushes. You get like a smudger flat definer brush. You get an angled brush, which could be for eyeliner or for brows. I used it for the bottom of my lower lash. You also have a shader brush and kind of like a blending brush. It's just a little bit more stiffer, but it definitely helps to do the outer corner of your eyes. I love how it has an ombre look on the brush. The tips of these brushes are pink and I love that. Love the metal that it has here. It's very pink and it has their logo there, Glamierre. I love the entire packaging on these brushes. I really love how these brushes feel. They're very soft. It was very easy to work and blend my eyeshadows using these brushes. This collection retails for $29.95. Now the last item is by a brand called Saint Luxe. It's the limited edition liner duo. So we actually have in here 2 liners. I actually have not heard about this brand, but I'm so happy I do now. You get a dark brown color, which is called Secret Admirer. And then you have like a terracotta color. It's called Love Letter. It's so freaking pretty. If you look at the lip liners, they are not mechanical. You have to sharpen them up, but they come already very, very pointy. The formula on these are very soft, hydrating. They kind of give out a matte finish, which is what I'm wearing right now, and I freaking love it. It feels so comfortable. It doesn't feel drying at all. So what I did is I used Love Letter all over my lips, and I used the darkest shade, Secret Admirer, to highlight the tip of my lips, the bottom of my lips, and the outer corners to kind of plump them out. So I actually love this duo so much. This lip liner duo values at $44. The brushes and the lip liner duos are actually new launches by the brands. And that was everything that we got in this month's box. I'm really, really happy for everything that we got. I actually feel like I can't pick a favorite. I mean, if I had to, I would definitely say the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask, because I freaking love skincare. I actually love everything, but I'm just gonna go with this. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite item this month. Now let's check out the total value this month. All of these products together value at $178.95. That is a lot of money in one little box. But the good thing about BoxyCharm is that if you're subscribed to them, you will get all these 5 items for $25 per month. That is insane. You're saving tons of money, you're getting to know more brands, and you get get tons of makeup every month. Alright guys, that completes this part of the video. Now we're gonna jump into the makeup tutorial. So please don't forget to thumb this video up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!